Kung ikaw yung taong nagtatanong kung ano purpose mo dito sa mundong to, ito na yung sagot. And ito yung tamang Bible verses para sa'yo. In Jeremiah 29 verse 11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." It reminds us that God has a meaningful plan for each one of us, bringing hope even in uncertainty. In Ephesians 12 verse 10 also says, "For we are God's handwork,